The wonderful use of Coke. 1. Take a bottle of Coke, screw on a useless nozzle. A bottle of Coke cleaning agent is ready. 2. Take a bottle of Coke and shake. A simple fire extinguisher is ready. 3. Don't be afraid to paste the pot. Just pour a bottle of Coke, heat to boiling, finally rinse with water and you're done. The amazing uses of Coke. 1. It's hard to clean a cooking pot when it's burnt. Pour some Coke and boil it. Once the water is rinsed, it is clean. 2. Coke and detergent shake well. Spray on the kitchen grease. A towel wipe immediately a new look. 3. In the washing machine, pour in Coke, floral water, detergent, baking soda, and white vinegar. Start cleaning mode. Home cleaning tips. 1. Sprite with conditioner. Spray on the mirror clean as new. 2. Coke with detergent. Sprayed on the oil stain. A wipe on the clean. 3. Beer and detergent. Remove cup stains easily. Toilet cleaning tips. 1. Toothpaste cut a small mouth. Put it into the toilet. The toilet flushed in this way has no odor for a year. 2. Add shower gel, laundry detergent, floral water, baking soda to the water tank. The toilet flushed in this way is clean and fragrant. 3. The toilet is difficult to clean. Put salt, washing powder, baking soda in the bowl. Sprinkle on the toilet. Finally brush gently a brush. In addition to yellow stains, teach you 3 toilet cleaning tips. 1. Toilet bowl with bad smell. Dilute white vinegar and washing powder with water. Then pour it into the toilet tank. Stains and odors do not remain at all. 2. Coke and laundry detergent. Spray on the yellow stain of the toilet. Eliminate immediately. 3. Cut open the used mask. Put the unused soap inside and tie it up. Then put it into the toilet tank. No odor for a year. Magical cleaning tips. 1. How to unclog the toilet. Wrap the toilet bowl in layers with plastic wrap. Then press the flush button. The cling film bulge. Press it immediately. Toilet bowl unclogged in seconds. 2. Draw the width of the groove with the unused cleaning sponge. Put it at the window and wipe it. The crevices of the dust in seconds clean. 3. The phone screen gets dirty. Spray a good mixture of white vinegar and water. Wipe dry not only does not stain the dust, but also does not leave fingerprints. This cleaning saves time and effort. 1. Detergent with rice water. Spray on the glass. Clean and dust-free. 2. Dishwashing detergent with cola and white vinegar. Remove kitchen grease easily. 3. Softener and water. Furniture is dust-free for a week. The wonderful use of baking soda. 1. Detergent with salt and baking soda. Add water and stir. Dip the solution and wipe the hood. A new look. 2. Air fryer oil is difficult to clean. Add baking soda and water. Heat for 10 minutes. Clean water clean as new. 3. Stovetop stains are difficult to clean. Add detergent, baking soda, white vinegar. Fully dissolved and left for 10 minutes. A wipe on clean. You do not know the cleaning tips. 1. Cut the potato in half. Stick salt on it. Wipe back and forth on the bottom of the pot where it is blackened. Become a new pot in seconds. 2. How to clean the bottom of burnt food pots and pans. Just add cola and boil. Leave it overnight. A rinse of clean water will make it look new. 3. The stain in the sink cannot be removed. We just need to use tomato sauce. Spread on the stain. Wait 10 minutes. A clean water rinse clean.